Hi sisters and brothers, hope everything is well. So let's get into the review of Apps Builder Pro. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Apps Builder Pro. On this video I will show you everything about this app and how can you use this easily and what is the main feature of this application. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You can see there are not very much option but very few options. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and on the dashboard there are only some basic statistics, and let me tell you something, that this is a review version. That is why maybe there are so many options are not there on this version, but once you have purchased this, maybe there are more thing, okay, on your dashboard and on your option section also, this menu section also. Okay, so once I now I am on the dashboard, and you can see this is edit profile, change password, logout, and this tool is totally made for easily, instantly you can build your mobile app. Once you want it, you can build your mobile app for your website, for your blog, for your each and every blog. Okay, and you can build it for your Shopify store. Okay, once you have put the URL, your work is done. Just by doing one or two clicks, or maybe some clicks, okay, your app is instantly ready. Okay, so once you have entered this tool, you should go through firstly on the tutorial section. Once I have clicked on this tutorial section, as this is review version, maybe they are not showing me any videos, but on your version, once you have purchased it, there will be videos, and going through of those videos, you will be taught by them about this app. This app is literally cool. I have never seen app like that. Okay, it is totally one click mobile app developing. Okay, I don't know, and let me show you something. Okay, I am now on fiverr.com. okay, so on fiverr.com, if I search app development, okay, mobile app development. Okay, so once I click on that, you can see this is showing the currency on Indian rupees, but let me change it on US dollar. Now you can see this is a basic, this is showing $5. Okay, the basic is literally they can take so many days. Okay, on the basic plan, but once you have upgraded $145, and you can see this is going on $230-400. okay, this is literally insane. Okay, so these are all of the pricings, and you can see there are so many pricings: $420, $200, $500, and this is going on $1,500. okay, and these guys are literally taking so many orders. You can see 29 1k plus dollar. This guy is charging $230, but he has already got, yes, this is he had already got 1k plus orders. Okay, more than 1,000 orders. Okay, so there are so many people, they want this. Once you have purchased this tool is only for $47, and you can use it easily to make your app. You don't have to waste time for charging them, hiring them, and also wasting of time. Okay, once you can purchase also these apps white label product, and once you have purchased the white label product, you can use as it is your own, and you can give ad also on fiverr.com section, and you can earn money easily. You can see there are so many orders they are getting. Okay, there are so many orders: 61, 8, 1, 52. okay, you can look, this is a live proof. Okay, so now let me get back to the app. So this is my apps. Once I have clicked on, after tutorial, I want to show you the my apps. Once I have clicked on this section, this my app section is your previously done apps, and you can customize them easily, and you can edit them very easily on my app section. Okay, so let me click on now create app. Okay, once I have clicked here create app, so let me put any website URL. Okay, let me put my website URL. Okay, let me show you. Okay, Okay, it is loading. Maybe my internet is little bit slow. Okay, now you can see, boom, I have just put my link, and in few seconds, maybe 2, 3 or 5 seconds, my app is literally getting ready. Okay, now let me click on get started. Okay, so these are the descriptions you can see, and this is I can upload my image, I can upload everything, and this is a progress bar, step by step progress bar, which is showing me how much I have, how much I am closer to getting the app. Okay, once I have clicked on the next, okay, I must have to select an image. Okay, let me select an image. Okay, let me choose it. So now once I have clicked on next, it is showing that enter your apps details. Okay, so maybe GDPR, Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, I don't know exactly what are these options, but these options, maybe once you have put it on, they will show you what are they. These websites uses cookies ensure to get this best experience on our website, so I think you should switch on this. And Facebook Pixels also, Google Tag Manager also. Okay, this is not eligible. I may not, maybe I am not eligible for these options, as this is totally review version and basic version. Okay, let me click on next. Once I have clicked on this is showing me that my app is ready. I have clicked just 3 times. Okay, this is literally surprising. Okay, I have clicked just 3 times, and this progress bar is already filled, and this is my QR code, and this is my app is ready. Okay, so this is my app. You can see this is my app, and once I have put it anywhere, I can put it anywhere. This is my WebKit app. Okay, I can install it. This is a zip version, and I can install it on my mobile phone, and I can give it to any people, or I can send only the QR code to them, and they can download. Sorry, my English is not so good. My mother tongue is not English. Okay, but I always try to better it. So they can download it by going through this QR code. Okay, this is very easy. I have already shown you. This is the main features. Okay, after that there are some options. This is push notification is very good option, and this is one of the main things on what you can say, this is the backbone of mobile app. Okay, mobile successful apps. Okay, already Google, Twitter, and most of the apps, maybe Pinterest, you can say, maybe Flipkart, Amazon, and all of the apps are doing the same. Uber, OLX, every Zomato, every apps are sending their push notification each and every hour. Okay, and we just after the human span is very much little, and at this time the human span is nearly about 8 seconds only, and every human is checking their phone after 10 or 15 minutes, and they will show this they can show the push notifications. Okay, and once they have checked the notification, if it is interesting, they will go to the app, and this makes the conversion rate 95%. Okay, huge conversion rate. Among 100 people, there will be 95 people, they will go to your application. Okay, so this also makes your bounce rate very much lesser. Okay, so after that push notification section, you can see you can manage your push notification, you can write it, type it, or you can change it, everything. But on this review version, they are showing me not all of the options. Okay, but on your version, I can send it from here. I can send the push notification, I can manage it. These apps also run offline. You can see Facebook runs the offline version also. On the offline version, Facebook runs. On the offline version, Google Maps also runs. You can switch on your Google Maps via Wi-Fi or internet. Once you have put it switched off, you can see that the map is running, the map is going on. Once it have loaded, and it is loaded, it has already put the thing on its cloud-based memory. That's why they can run easily. Okay, so this app is also same thing like. So the next option is support bonuses, and you can go to the WordPress plugin, but they are not showing me as I am on the review version, and this is about this tutorial I have already told you. But now is the main thing. Let me show you the bonuses which I am giving you. Why should you buy from me, and what is the main funda of doing this video. Okay, so this is the page where you will be redirected when you clicked on the video description link. Maybe the top link, maybe the bottom link, or maybe the middle link. Wherever you want, you can click and you will be redirected to this page. On this page you can easily go to the app and you can easily get the app only spending just $47, and you can also access my bonuses, okay, by clicking these buttons. Okay, so on this page I have literally mentioned all of the facts. Okay, you can see I have highlighted them. Okay, you can read them, you can go through them, and you can check the ratings. The ratings are also good. Overall rating is 9.7 out of 10. You can click on this button to get your app and bonuses. So let me now this is all of the options, and this is all of the things I have put here, and this is the bonus value I am giving you. I have literally put it from so many days. Let me show you. Okay, let me leave all of this and let me show you the bonuses only. So you can make these kind of apps with this tool. Okay, I want you to check it by yourself visiting this page. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. You can see I have mentioned everything about this app. You can read it minutely, and you can came to know detailedly about this app by visiting this page. Okay, it is very easy. You just click on the video description link and you will be redirected to this page. You can get this kind of bonuses. Let me show you the bonuses. Okay, so this is the bonuses I am giving you. This is all of the bonuses. You can see there are so many bonuses, and these are literally very much valuable, and these bonuses are I have mentioned here. I have just given this picture only. I have not mentioned here the detail cause I think that same thing is boring. Okay, so I have put here just photos. Okay, after that I have mentioned here 2 or 3 lines or maybe 1 line about each bonuses. Okay, cause same thing is boring. I have changed it. Okay, something I have tried to change it. Okay, so these are the bonuses I am giving you. I am giving you here. I have only mentioned I am just unable to mention all of the bonuses because there are so many bonuses and they are really huge bonuses. After 50 bonuses, you can see I have mentioned here that I am tired now, so I am putting 220 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, and I am promising you this bonus page is literally going on increasing as I always put my bonuses on at one place, and I just put the links on this page. Okay, you can easily access this kind of bonuses, this kind of huge bonuses after once you have purchased the main product from here, which is only $47, and you can access all of the bonuses very easily. These bonuses are literally you should go through them and you can check them. Okay, if you want to buy it, you can buy it from anywhere. My principle is very simple. If they are getting something more than me, you should go through them or go buy them, but if they are not, you should purchase from my side. Okay, so these are the bonuses. I have already told you that after 50 bonuses I just was tired, and I have mentioned here there's that 220 plus mega bonuses, 220 plus bonuses, and these bonuses are literally very good. More of them are softwares, and there will be some PDFs and SEO tool or WordPress plugin also. Okay, I can't say exactly, but this is the bonuses I am giving you. So this was the review, a vague review I have already displayed to you. So I am signing out for the day. Bye bye.